Isioma Nwam. Sorry for all the harassment. Isiego Nwam. Yes, Isiego Nwam. You know, I was calling her Joseph the Dreamer. But all those dreams I've gone through today.
I'm got something. Picochin.
Isiego Nwam. Oh. Isiego Nwam. Oh yeah, drinking ma. Nah, Jesus. Amen. You see your glass.
Hey! I don't need an S again.
Isiego Nwam. Wait, yeah.
Don't do that.
Greedy woman.
Tell them. Cheers.
Yes.
Tomorrow picota. Yes. Tomorrow pichaco. Picota.
Hey.
Hey! Can you imagine if I'd given my daughter to one of those nonsense people that were coming to ask
Leave
her
France.
by now we will not be enjoying. You will be somewhere in some village now.
Leave France.
She would have been somewhere by now. But look at it.
Amara is still selling oranges at Eke Market.
I even heard that her husband Keke broke down.
Mama is Keke. Oh, what you do, Okada?
She married an Okada man.
Okada man, no. I don't even know if
you're
check am ponyan.
Hey.
Hello, me one. How are you?
Hello? Isioma. Hell, Nim. I am sorry, I'm sorry I missed your call. I was busy at the backyard. Because when you called yesterday. My phone was down. You know, we don't have light and generator draw. When you were Biko. How are you? I missed you.
Hey. Nkene amazing now is that I'm a proud car owner.
Hey! Never bought you a car.
I saw Kongi motor owner. Car owner was slick car. Air condition on the Niana Joe. Cause music. Egu. Yeah.
Hey, whoa. Hey, na me pitago queen fell. Hey! Hey, what kind of car is it? Or what I can say? Kobuna. Hey, greeting for me. He's indeed an in-law. Ezibogo kobo. Ogo buchonye. Ngwana, so badro. How is your parents? I hope they are fine.
My parents are fine. We just came back from testing the car. I just go see that we have arrived. Yes, sir. Maybe you has rubbished my life with money. So, by the way you come and see the car. Or I will come to your house. I'll bring the car to your house.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, God. We are still celebrating.
You know what we're going to do? See that driver? Anytime we call him out, he must come and salute. And we'll make a uniform for him. Yes.
Obusonka, he has to teach me how to drive so that I'll be driving myself and be posing in the village. Okay?
Yes, he will also teach me because by the time you join Melvin in Indonesia, you leave this car behind. You will be driving it.
Okay, people who will be driving it. Melvin personally gave me the key. You see who will be driving it?
I trust my husband, Melvin. He might bring up what Keneze. Papa will take that one.
I don't like that judgment. Either way, lawyer, listen. I will take the new quarter. Your father takes this because by then he would have used this his big leg to scatter the gear. If you are talking too much, give me some of the drinks since you don't want to. You know I'm your mother. I carried you for 9 months.
Very correct.
I've been encouraging you. Oh, cheers to water. What's going on? You're not done with cleaning the car. Oh, you want me to be late to the market, okay?
Mom, I'm sorry, I'll be too soon.
That was what you said about 15 minutes ago. You can't answer moto.
Just give me 5 minutes.
Look, I don't want to miss the people I want to see in the market, though.
Which car are you talking about?
This car, of course.
Don't you not go to the elders meeting with this car?
At Nduka's house. Because it's of checkable distance. Why don't you check them? Yes.
Why you go and show off with the car? I know what you're up to. See how you are dressed. Somebody going to the market.
Is it not to your benefit? They will call you Odiak or a great guy.
Nah, Chidi. Please, give me the car.
Chidi, don't try it, Odigo. Don't give me the car.
No, give me the car. No, give me the car.
If you give me, you lose your job.
Look at that. Yo, so you're not telling me how to run my house, eh?
No, I'm not telling you now. I'm your wife now. You should consider me. You're a strong man. You know me. I'm weak. I'll do all my people. Perhaps to the market.
Hey, I got that.
I was inside and I'm not give me the cat. See, I know how to solve this. Papa, you're going for your elders meeting.
Yes, I got that.
Chidi, you're going to carry 3 of us. Drop Papa first at Mazi's place. Drop him, then you carry me money. You take us to the market. On our way back, branch and carry back. At the farmer like that.
Case closed.
Yeah?
Case closed.
Only for now enjoy my benefit of Picota.
Hey! Benefit of
Yes.
If I be check on
my Picota change.
Case closed.
Open the door. Stand aside. He said, come here. He said, you're not wearing your uniform. Next time you carry me in the car, you make sure you wear your uniform. And cut that hair. Hold the door.
Chidi, when you are done, you come over.
When you done, come over.
We have some business here.
Yes, sir.
Good.
My turn. Open my own.
Life is good, oh.
My people, you know one thing with this life, It is Enyatundebe, Nyendebe, Enyatundebe, Nyendebe, Enyatundebe, Nyendebe. So this is my own turn. My own turn has come. But you know my advice. Whoever wants to marry should look for a beautiful, adorable wife, so that she can also give you beautiful, adorable daughter. Like my own daughter. If you have such a beautiful daughter, no matter how poor you are, there is hope.
Yes.
And she can take you to any level. I'm smiling today because of my daughter, my beautiful daughter, Isioma. If I had go ma, if I had go ma.
white nke ya lete mo nyara.
So welcome.
Isi ego boss isi ọma.
Isi ego.
I don't need isi ego.
Isi ego.
Amunwa.
Is this the car?
Yes.
This is the car.
Yes.
You go no man. See justice. Hey, isi. Asịkwa na onye nwere mmadụ ka onye nwere ego. Hey! Oh, my friend. Oh. Hey, hey, this is justice.
Ikiji nwa yeku.
Pigide pita moto.
Touching him. I told you. If we're gonna
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Please come and sit down.
Sit down in my leather chair.
Hey, what are friends from? You have no loan on a car. Let me feel it for you.
You know you white.
Let's check on Manolo. It's good. Let me go check.
How are you? And how is your Oba husband?
You're managing. You're looking good.
Thank you.
It's good.
Hey! I don't mean a way go. Dollars.
Hey! You know one of my Thank God I know you. Hey, this is because what do I offer you?
Offer me. What do you have? What do you have you can offer is ego? Yeah. No, I came to take you out. You cannot offer me anything. You don't have anything.
Darling.
You want to take me out?
Oh, go. He's a little belly go. Looking at you. I'll go there now. Easy go.
This one. I am happy for you.
I'm happy for myself.
I am happy for you. I'm very happy. And I thank God for granting you all your heart desires.
Yeah.
At least I went at the car today.
AC we cool AC now. Since we are born, I know you probably got the AC before.
If you are bad mouth. Listen, there is something I want to ask you.
Okay.
You know that marriage is a lifetime decision. It's not something you just take based on money. You should stay yes because you love the person. And you should be sure that that person loves you too. I am not saying money is not good, though. I have not said it. Because nobody wishes to suffer. No woman will want to enter into a family where she will suffer. Or her unborn children will suffer. No. But you must not base any marriage on money. Because when that money is no more there, that marriage will not last. Because I want to ask you again. This Melvin of a guy, do you really know him? Have you studied to find out everything about him? If he truly loves you, if both of you are compatible, or did you marry him because he has money and he's from Ashia, is all Shia country? Then I'm this Shia country.
Mama, you that married based on love. Can you kiss him? Nico, please. I know my Melvin, and my Melvin knows me. He's the perfect man for this year. So forget that. Like I said before, I came to take you out. So go inside and change into something good. But what if he?
I'll wear skirt. Yes,
Alpha boy is. I don't get any alpha. I told you before. Look at you. You're pregnant. When I was telling you girls, pick on know very well before entering into marriage. I want to marry, I want to enter Mrs. Look at you. Before you know it, Keta. What is that? Look at me. I pick up, chin. Look at my ride. Me and my family are not anything like poverty again. They gotta go. Look at you. You know, it has a milli. Oh, I'm so sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. Okay, like you know, my wedding is coming up pretty soon. So I have important things and places to go to. Okay? Oh, you're lucky. This is the only naira on me. You know now, I deal in dollars. Share country. Oh, dollars can never measure praise. So this is the only naira on me. Manage it, okay?
For me?
Well, I can't allow me friend. The reason. I'm not a road in kind 2 months. Yes, man. Easy. Okay, easy. Manage it, okay? Okay. Let's go. Bye now. My darling. I love you so much. It's a lie. Are you serious? Oh, baby. I can't wait to see you. I love you more. All right, take care of yourself, baby. I love you. Kiss. Did you hear that? All right, baby. Take care. I love you. Bye.
Oh, Gilly, what did he say?
Melvin said he'll be coming back next week.
Oh, I am sure you're happy.
I'm very happy. I'm excited. He said once he's back, he will start preparation for our wedding. Jesus, thank you.
You had better hurry back for the wedding before you change your mind to prepare pounds. Because,
Mama, I'm busy.
That's what you said when Jeff came, and what you said when Uzube.
Mama, Melvin Nemo Yefe, so he's my final full stop. And I'm happy because of.
Yeah, I'm making everyone care. Which was?
I'm happy. Melvin Nemo Yefe. Hey, Papa, I can't wait to be his wife. I can't wait to go to Indonesia, enter aeroplane, see white people, whites, everything.
Well, you see white people here now, and you have no white people.
See, the fact Adana has financial problem does not mean we will take her out from this group.
That was
She has paid everything. See, the fact no one with financial problem does not mean na inga no get like this. Anya hapu chaya. Oya na akunyoko si she has been paying her dues. Adana is one of us too. Am I lying? It's true.
I disagree with you.
Thank you. Our monthly dues is low and affordable. Very affordable. If you consider giving her this special treatment, someone else might give her the same treatment. Yes. Say as if we are giving you don't expect us to give her that treatment.
Point of correction, Bickham. Point of correction. Oh, you see. Let's last change. You
Now, why is Sego?
See, please, my fellow girls. I'm sorry for coming late. Don't worry. I also want to apologize because I will not be staying till the end.
Thank you.
Yes, because I have plenty of things to do.
And why? What is that supposed to mean?
Joy. Yes. As you all know. Like I said before, I have plenty of things to do. Like you all know, my wedding will be coming up very soon. And I have plenty of important places to go to instead of staying here wasting my time. So I came to officially give you my invitation card. I brought this with this I brought the card. And I also want to tell you that my Ashebi is out. And it is 20,000 naira for 6 years. Look at you girls. If I were in your shoes, I would do everything possible to get the 20,000 naira by this show. You're not president. Hey, don't you know my husband to be? What's he called from Shia country? What are these Chingom boys? No. And let me tell you girls, if you don't know, every big boss knows everything. Yes! Order. My husband came from Shia country, Indonesia to be precise. So his friends, colleagues and business associates will be there. If I were you people, also got your 20,000, buy their Ashebi, sew the clothes, so that my calls and contours will come out. On that day, my husband's friends and business associates are for chat on phone, one or two people. Would you like to be like me? So do everything possible. Get your 20,000 naira by my Ashebi. That is my advice to you girls. Like I said before, I don't have time to waste because I have more important places to go to. So, you people to have fun, enjoy what I brought for you, and if you need more, just bear me with.
As I was saying before I was better.
Don't you know that music is consuming my fuel?
I'm sorry, sir.
Do you know what it took this family to come to this level? Everybody now thinks he can come and reap where he did not sow. This is the last time you try this rubbish.
Sorry, sir.
If you want to operate any gadget in this car, you must get permission from powers above. That's the way it's done everywhere. When we were in the army, it was known as power from high command. And you have to observe that. If if you want to be part of this family. Nonsense.
See, I would have loved to be among the Asobi ladies. But the money for the clothes is too much. 20,000 naira. No be small money. My dear, as for me, I will do anything I can just to lay my hands on that money. Because I want to be among the Ashebi girls. Really? Sure. This is an opportunity. His summer husband lives abroad. And besides, the marriage day, his friends will be there. This is an opportunity for me to get my own husband. Don't you think so? Really? Before Uncle? Who not like better thing? This is an opportunity for me. You have a point too. Who not like better thing? Happy? Me. I will try anything I can do to see if I will meet up and buy my own Asobi clothes. Happy?
Now bring your money. Wow, so beautiful. Bring your money. 20,000.
Well, Isioma, don't you think 20,000 is too much for this Ashebi?
It's too much. It's too much. What did you come here to do in the first place if you didn't have the money? I said it without a million on that my Ashebi is 20,000 naira. Yes. I said it. Listen, my wedding is not for everybody. All for girls on my follow. Because sometimes we have share country. A girl with sense will know that if she comes to my wedding, okay, hook big fish. Big fishes. Yes. Because my husband's friends and colleagues will be there. You know, if I were you, I would do everything possible to gather 20,000 naira to collect this Ashebi. You gotta go.
I know. The money is too much. I can't afford the money. It's too much.
Because even poor come on the Jago Go.
What are friends for?
Friends.
What are friends for?
Nego. And then my friend Nego, my sister. Okay. If you don't have the money, and the Jago
Okay, you know what will happen? I will give you half of the money. Then next week I'll give you the remaining balance. Is that okay?
You give me half now.
Yes.
I will hold my Ashebi.
When
when you complete the money, I'll give you.
Papa.
Yes.
Mama, like you always say, Nando Chassis, all works and no play. Meet Jack, you don't work. So I want us to go and play with on our ordinary child's day. I want us to go and play with catch.
Good.
I just tired go on. So where do you want us to go? About a ice cream, fast food. Call chicken na koba. Chicken which one? Where do you want us to go? Ice cream for children. I think we need like something like almond calling.
Yeah, for me, I need almond or azunda.
You know, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Azunda.
Okay. Let's just if I did what you want.
If I did a passenger.
My name is yogurt.
Leave Madame for Matthias.
The one he takes with his
Leave Madame for Matthias.
Hey, where is that driver?
Yes, Mama, madam.
Stupid Chedi.
Yes, Mama.
Who is small, madam? Are you mad? You can't even say excuse me. Chakwalana. Yeah, come here. Again. Next time you wear your uniform.
Chief, when you are done, you come over here.
Come and open the door for me.
As usual.
I'm going to take it.
Yes.
Hurry up. Walk again.
I know we are inside the room. I can feel it.
Yes.
So what's the surprise?
Listen, I want you to know that I love you so much.
And I love you too.
You know, every day I thank God for a day like this. I am the happiest man right now. You know why? Because I got married to the woman that I love so much.
Same here, but please remove the blindfold.
I will. I just want you to know that I love you so, so much.
I love you more.
Okay.
Blindfold.
Alright, cool. Yeah!
My love.
Yes!
This is beautiful.
I know, just do what you like.
I love you. You're just so sweet.
I told you I was going to change your room.
Yes.
So.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. This is the appreciation for being a
And the sweet is the favorite. You're welcome, baby. I know! Exactly what
You are the best!
Yes.
The bestest!
And you're the sweetest.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yes, I'm happy you like it. My sexy baby.
Thank you. You're my dream come true.
Yeah, see that.
Mama, he treats me like a queen. Mama, tell him something. So, Mama, how is Papa? Okay. Me, I'm fine. Melvin went out with his friends. He will soon be back. We're still in the hotel room. We are doing our honeymoon. He's giving me the best time of my life. He will still take me to his house when we are done with the honeymoon. Alright, Mama. Take good care of yourself. Take care. Bye. Okay.
Yeah, like I told you. Yeah, you see everything. Aha, that is Maria.
Ooh,
yes, yes.
Large.
She is. I mean, he's always eating my money. You can see her size. I spend money on her.
Yes.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
That is Maria.
Welcome, madam.
Yes, Maria is in charge of the kitchen. She's my personal cook.
No
like I told you before, James is handling the gates. He's a gate man. Yes. So they are here to serve you. You see, James is a very loyal boy. You can use them as you like. You understand me? They are there for you.
I like that.
They are here to serve you.
It's my pleasure to be here.
You are welcome.
Okay. Why fine, no? Like sweet my boy.
Fine. Yeah, thank you. I told you to too much. Look at her.
Everything complete. It's great. No missing box.
It's okay. Sweetie, let's go inside. Okay. You take that bag upstairs. You prepare the dining now. Now. Sir! Let's go.
This house is something.
You've not seen anything. If I take you to the back, you will shout. Hey. Have you seen my phone? Yes! This is my house.
Hey! My lord!
Yes.
I know you like it. This is your house. My lord! I love you too, baby girl. Hey! I love you. Everything. You can even have it here. I'm telling you.
You're good.
Yes. Some of them are 24 karat, some of them are 18 karat. Some are even 38 karat. Hey! I don't shout too much. This is Indonesia money. Hey! Welcome to paradise. Indonesia money. Don't worry. My baby. Listen. Oh, the TV.
This one curve la curve.
This is soft touch. You can touch the screen with your hand. Everything will begin to move.
Is it cool?
This is a smart that I have.
You don't need remote.
House. Nah, which one are you using remote? Just high sensor.
Hey!
I'm telling you.
Jimmy, you're even richer than I thought.
Just decide to keep it low key. Don't shout too much.
No wonder you are throwing dollars. You are just, if a burger is an Indonesian burger, you are just a burger.
I have too.
My burger.
Long money.
Hey! Yeah. My parents need to come here. They have a paradise on earth.
I'm telling you.
They need to come and see what I'm seeing.
No, I expect.
Enjoy what I'm about to enjoy. Hey!
That will change your life. Hey. You know what? Let's go inside. I want you to see some things. You have not seen any. Have you seen your room?
It's better than this place I'm seeing now.
This is a small thing. Come, let's go upstairs. Let me show you something. Come, let me show you something. I'll blow your mind now. Come. No, come this way. This one. If you want them to carry it for you, they will carry it. No problem. Yes.
Now upstairs is better than this place.
Don't worry. They will shout.
Then why is this place untidy?
But I cleaned it the way I used to.
Are you saying that I don't know what I'm talking about or that I'm blind? No, am I blind? No.
Sorry, ma.
You're just a good for nothing fat fool. Just eat! That's all you do in this house. Look at you. Chest 44. Waist 44. Are you a Humpty Dumpty? Huh? Are you? Get out! You are so big for my liking. You are just too large. Hey, Maria, come back here. Come here. want you to prepare me delicious noodles. Well spiced up with chicken. Now go. Go! Oh God! She's too loud! Loud!
What's going on? I heard your voice from upstairs. What's happening?
This good for nothing fat for Maria! Look at this place! It's everywhere! She can't even tidy up this place. I don't know, she's just a fat fool. The only thing she knows how to do is eat! Eat and eat!
My love, take it easy. It's me, I'm not Maria. Besides, listen, I understand everything you're saying. But you see, that girl Maria is a very good domestic staff, and I know she will come around. Just give it time, Biko, please.
No time!
I know.
No time!
I understand. I understand. Calm down, please. Eh? It's all right, my love. Biko, please. It's okay. It's okay.
All right, baby. I see your dress.
Yes. I need to meet up with my business partner. Yes.
I'm going to miss you.
I'm not spending time. I'll miss you too. Please, reduce the shout. Your voice is now...
They should get their acts together. Do what they're supposed to do. Everywhere. Just untidy.
Like, just do what you said. Say she need to get her ass together. Her ass is big. She will take time to get it together.
44.
I understand. It's okay.
It's too loud.
I understand, baby. Your voice now. You don't go swallow me.
It's okay.
It's alright. Come on, sit down.
Okay, my drink.
Please calm down.
Thank you, my love. I love you.
Don't shout with that voice again.
All right. I won't.
It's all right.
Maria! Thank you. And where do you think you're going?
Ma, sorry, ma, but I have other things to do inside.
You will stand right there till I'm done with this food. What?
Ma?
Oh, Maria! Maria, what did I do to you? How can you serve me tasteless noodles? You couldn't even garnish it with carrots, green beans, and things like that. Are you a fool? Are you a fat idiot?
No, ma, but sorry, ma, but this is the noodles you said I should prepare for you, ma.
Sorry for yourself! So this is what you serve my husband? With all the money he gives you every month, you are very stupid. You are crazy! Did you even go to catering school? Or are you one of those mama taught me how to cook?
Sorry, ma, I didn't go to catering school, but
my mom is a very good... Shut up! Shut up! You are such a fool! You are such a fat fool! Why is my husband paying you such amount of money every month? Wasting money on a fool like you? Listen, henceforth, I will slash your salary into 10. Yes! I'll be giving you a pinch. One pinch come, that's what I'll be giving to you.
Madam, please.
Horrible. Hey! Nne, Ami Bekee. Hey! Come now, what do you? This place is paradise on earth. Eziokwu. Hey! Ana m eli ụwa, ana m eli ego n'ọnụ, I'm chopping cash. Hey! God answered my prayers. Okwa tinyekwa olu m jara. Ifweba, nne, I have mates, I have servants, I have cook, I have a woman who can Madam, what do you want? Madam, do you want me to clean your feet? Madam, do you want me to bet you? What do you want? Hey! Ne. I'm a queen in my paradise. Yes. Hey. Do you know that Muto, my husband, used to come to the village to see me with? but once that is mobile compared to the ones park here. Oh, come escort. Here, armed men, not the escort. If I want to go out now, escort and some house. Hey, ne. Money is good. Ega maka. Hey, please, how is your husband? Oh, what's into husband? So greet him for me and greet all these village workers for me. Oh, Gwafani isi ego, isi money na ekenefa. I gotta go now because all right, my dear, take good care of yourself. Bye. Hey. I think this place is airy. I want to sit here. James! James!
Madam!
Get me a glass of wine and the chair. I want to sit here. Here is airy. Red wine, precisely.
Nem.
Where are you going to?
I am going to meet with Mazio Keke's son at his site. He asked me to come this morning so that I can do 1 or 2 things for him and raise some money. I hope all is well.
All is well, oh. All is well. It's just that I was expecting you to give me a reply based on what we discussed yesterday night.
Sorry, I've forgotten them. Can you remind me? Even Bunisi did too much.
Yeah. Okay. I will remind you. It is the money for antenatal. Yes.
Nem. That is more reason I'm going to meet with Maziobi's son. So that I can do 1 or 2 things. So that evening when I come back, I'll come with some money. You know that there is no money. No single money in this house. I am not happy that our baby and you is not attending antenatal. There's no money. If I have money, I will give you. Please bear with me. We have been managing.
Ken.
Nem.
Ken! Ken, how many times did I call you? Did I do anything wrong in marrying you? Emelu Hojo? Eh? Hey! There were no more. Eh? Ibemu pigide pitezi buihe nani hem petala. Isoma warned me. Isoma will help you. My mates, when they are pregnant, they attend antenatal in 2 weeks. Some even start in 1 week. I am almost 6 months pregnant. I don't even know where hospital is. Ken Odo Ken, it is not good, oh, Ken Odo.
My dear, this is also my baby. And you are my wife. It is my sole responsibility to take care of you both. But I can't do that because there's no money. And I have to work for it. Please, we have been managing. Please bear with me.
Maria, it is not true. Stop lying.
Meaning what? Are you trying to say I am accusing her falsely?
No, I'm not trying to say that you are lying. But I'm surprised that a lady that just entered this compound a few days ago is already growing wings. I'm talking to people anyhow. No, don't tell me. Don't tell me you're lying.
See, the truth is that I am no longer comfortable with this whole drama. What is it now? The fact is that if that woman continues to stay in this house, there will be more danger ahead. She's too troublesome.
No. Maria, stop saying all this. See, I understand the fact that she's a lady, she's new in the compound, she's not used to us, she's just trying to, understand us, we are friendly people. So once she gets used to us now, we'll enjoy her and she will enjoy us too. James. So she's just trying to know us better.
James. James. How many times did I call you? I'm a woman and I understand women, especially the ones that got married to a rich man. I know how they can be.
Who are they fine?
We want to see my daughter Isioma.
Okay, I dey come.
Open the gate! Russia, open the gate! My parents are outside. And I'm calling, are you crazy? Papa!
Isioma, are you mad?
Why you take so long to open the gate for my parents?
Isioma!
Ah, Mama!
No. Isioma, which one is your house? This one or that one?
Mama, everywhere. Hey! Everywhere, Mama.
Isioma, Mama.
Mama, let me help you. That is bad, are you stupid?
No. Isioma. So this is where you are enjoying.
Eba
Isioma Neliwa. Hey!
Look at my husband's escort. Eh? Nakwamoti also. Hey! My husband's car. Like this silly goat. They use it to run around in the house.
You have a car for errand.
Car for one of the cars for errand.
We're not escort. That means when we're leaving, you don't get escort.
With armed police people. Now.
Hey! Armed police people. Hey! Isioma.
Thank you, Mama. I'm eating money.
Hey!
Ego pasa.
You mean be happy? Isioma, take us around.
Let's go.
Steps may change. Hey! Steps may change.
Because I go somewhere. Let's go to the back.
Oh my God. Hey!
It is very sweet. You know, come on, Matt. I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go. For some time, I'll go. You know, come on, Matt. Very sweet, though.
Well, why?
I'm not complaining. Mrs. Life is good if you have money. Don't worry.
Nobody's going to take it from you.
I know. The thing is so great, another thing.
What is happening? Again, remember.
I tell you.
Why are you not eating at the dining? I want executive dining here.
But don't complain, though. That's good.
Okay, no problem. You can do whatever I want to do in this house. When you do na this white chain, you want for me. Enjoy yourselves.
You could hello. You know, since we came, I've only seen your husband twice. What's the problem?
Papa, business.
Business? I was thinking that rich people don't invest so much time in business because they have a lot of ads now.
Papa, rich men struggle harder. Yes, because they want to go higher and higher. No. So that is what my husband is doing. Not sure. From here, we can very soon take one alone also. He needs more money. He has managers, but he needs to be there, Maka. And then for you now.
You are right.
Also, why you came to the room? James!
I tell you, one by one now.
James!
Don't bother them.
Madam.
You are very stupid. You are very stupid. How dare you give my parents just one wine? Every man you don't really call in this house. Go on, with the wines, champagne, hot drinks, whiskey, hand bring all of them here. Go! Rush! They're called the monkey. That was harsh. You didn't have to talk to him like that. Hey, Mbanoduroma. I wasn't expecting it from you. Mama, Polonia from mad. He's just a common house boy. Mate, if you want, I can call him. He will lie down here. Yes, that's what they are being paid for. So don't mind them because Mama happy. So enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Whatever I want to do, whatever I want to eat, enjoy.
There is problem.
What is it?
My mother called me last night. She said that Mazo Trupe, that my uncle that stood for me when you came to ask for my hand in marriage.
Mazo Trupe.
My uncle now.
Okay. The one that represented your father.
My father's younger brother.
Okay. What happened to him?
She said that he is dead though. Am I not the one here with you? How will I know what killed him?
Hey. So sorry for your loss. I've not heard.
That is why I'm telling you now. Okay. And I'm telling you earlier because they said they have fixed the burial for next week. Okay. You know, as an Ogo, in-law, we are supposed to go.
Oh, definitely. We will attend the burial.
And as tradition demands, we will go there with 2 crates of beer, 2 wrappers. They even added goat. But I told my mother to remove goat, because since I came to this house, I've not even eaten 1 full pot of goat, not to talk of giving somebody live goat. Then an envelope added to it. It is tradition.
All these things for the burial. You and I know that there is nothing in this house that we struggle to even feed. There's no money in this house and you are mentioning all these items for the burial. I'm not saying that
I don't know how you want to raise the money. You can sell anything, your shoe, your knicker, anything. Just start thinking of how to raise the money from now. Don't put shame on my face. I don't know your plans.
So you mean we are going to bring wrapper, bring 2 crates of beer and an envelope? Mezunorini. Do you want me to go stealing? You know that there's no money in this house. There's no kobo. Where do you expect me to get money to buy all these items? I am not saying that we are not going to attend his burial. But maybe later we pay them condolence visit.
Did I hear you say later? Ken, you mean the only uncle I had? They're doing his burial and I will not attend. Makalam Nogi. Ken, it will not work. It will not work. I must attend that burial. I And you must do all the rites and tradition as my husband.
So what do you expect me to do?
I don't know.
When there is no money?
I don't like this thing I do, no. I don't like this thing. Oh, my uncle there is, I will not go.
So I will come and enjoy myself. If I tell you to do something, you will not do it. You are very stupid. Oh, yes.